Here's how to use Home Band. First, you have to be familiar with the LED indicator, home button, skin temperature, HR, and SpO2 sensor. So these are the major parts of the Home Band. First is make sure that it is already connected to the Home app. Make sure that you have already filled up the necessary information that is needed to the app itself. After doing that you can now go ahead and turn it on. On the right side, you will see the home button. Go ahead and long press that so that you'll be redirected on the page where you'll be able to see there a light, which means that it is already turned on. Once you have already seen the green light under the home band, it means that your home band is now ready to be connected to the application. So that is how you use your home band and how to turn it on using the home button itself.